In this video, I'm going to show you how to send yourself money on Venmo. This can be useful if you want to move money between your own accounts or quickly transfer funds to a different bank account linked to Venmo. By the way, if you're a business owner, Venmo is probably not the right solution for you. But more on that later. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Pay or Request button. Next, search for the second Venmo account you want to send money to. Some users create another Venmo account using a separate email address or phone number for personal or business purposes. Make sure both accounts follow Venmo's terms and are properly verified. After selecting the account, enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a short note or description for the transfer if you want. Now tap Pay and confirm the transaction. The money will be transferred from your Venmo balance, linked bank account, or debit card depending on your selected payment method. Once the money arrives in the second Venmo account, you can keep it there, use it for payments, or cash it out to a linked bank account. Keep in mind that instant bank transfers may include a small fee, while standard transfers are usually free but can take 1 to 3 business days. Venmo is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. Link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Venmo offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.